Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Drive to Adobe Express for team brand templates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe Express website. Log in to your Adobe Express account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Templates section on the main dashboard. Look for the Brand tab in the sidebar and click on it. Scroll down until you see the option to Connect to Google Drive. Click on the Connect to Google Drive button. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google email and password, then click Next. Once signed in, you'll be asked to allow Adobe Express to access your Google Drive files. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. After connecting, return to the Adobe Express interface. You will now see your Google Drive files available in the Brand Templates section. Select a template you want to customize using your Drive files. Click on it to open in the Editing workspace. You can now add images or assets directly from your Google Drive. Simply click on the Photos tab and choose Google Drive. Select the files you want to use and insert them into your template. Make any customizations needed to suit your team brand style. Once finished, save your template by clicking on the Save button. You can also share this template with your team by clicking on Share. Choose how you want to distribute the template within your organization. Your Google Drive is now seamlessly connected to Adobe Express, enabling easy access to your brand files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.